Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix LinkedIn refund not processing on app. So if a LinkedIn refund is not processing on the app, you must determine if the purchase was made via Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or directly through LinkedIn. So if purchase was made via Apple or iOS, you can request refund via Apple. Go to reportaproblem.apple.com and then sign in and select request a refund. If the Apple indicates it is refunded but you haven't received it, use the official Apple support page to inquire about the status. The refunds can take up to 30 days to appear on your statement. Now, if the purchase via Google Play Store or Android was done, go to play.google.com and find the LinkedIn order and select request a refund or report a problem. If Google Play shows it is processed by you have not received it, use the LinkedIn Help Center chat to speak to a human agent. Note that you may need to talk to a human to get a support agent. Now the timeline is usually 15 minutes to 4 business days. If the purchase was made directly on LinkedIn website, we have to submit account review and then check eligibility and request for ARN. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.